If you're an aspiring entrepreneur or somebody just looking to make some money on the side, boy, do I have the book for you.
What the hell?
What's going on? Welcome aboard Life Launchpad, your go-to channel for practical advice and guidance to launch your dreams into reality. I'm your host, Andrew Savina, and today we're back with another video. Today we have a book club meeting. You know I haven't posted this in a while. Maybe you don't, but I haven't posted one of these in a while. And today we're making sure to get another one out here. I've been doing a lot of reading. Don't get me wrong. I'm still reading, clearly, because I'm doing a book that I just finished. But I know I've been doing different content. I kind of slipped up on these, so I'm going to try and get back into them. Without further ado, let's get right into it. In today's video, we're talking about The Tao of the Side Hustle by Don Kyobasa. This book goes into depth of how one person can pursue and go into the area of side hustle through the Chinese martial art Wushu. Wushu is a Chinese martial art very popularized by Sun Tzu in The Art of War. Kyobasa goes into many different varieties and formations and different tips and tricks that you can take from Wushu and apply to your application and progress into making a side hustle. These tips and lessons apply to everyone. Somebody starting from the bottom, just getting the idea off the ground, or somebody that's already been in the business for 5 years. To better understand the lessons, you have to understand the author and how he came to write this book. Don Kyobasa used to be a professional martial arts practitioner. He would go and compete nationally and win awards and prizes. Don Kyobasa had originally planned to become an accountant. He had gone to school learning and specializing in accounting and understanding different forms of taxes. After that, he decided accounting was not what he wanted to do and was further interested in pursuing law. Once he had completed his degree of law at UIC Law School in Chicago, he had decided to join a law firm and to continue working from there. He soon realized that this wasn't the best for him and that he wanted his time and to make sure that he could be able to spend it with his family. Wanting to earn back his time, he decided that he needed to start a side hustle where he could make more income and soon potentially transfer it into his main income so that he could spend more time with his family. The way he did this is that he started a side hustle and practiced law on himself. He would help individuals, at first family members and friends, with real estate and closing law. As he continued to practice this and work at his law firm, he had learned and developed these skills that had benefited him in making a successful side hustle that he could soon transfer into his primary source of income. After years of working in this side hustle and for this law firm, he soon realized that he had developed the skills to transfer his side hustle into his primary income, and that's where the story starts. He has developed all these different skills that he can relate to his martial arts experience and be able to translate them into a form that works in the business world as well. While there are 15 unique skills that he mentions throughout the entirety of the book, 3 of them that I personally related most to as somebody that is beginning their journey in the side hustle is the skills, the energy, and the peace. While there are 15 unique skills that he mentions throughout the entirety of the book, for somebody like me getting off the ground, the first part of the book was the most influential. The 5 skills that he talks about in the beginning of the book are skills, army, time, treasure, and energy. Each one a unique point with its own point of view and different aspect on how your side hustle is going to evolve. For me personally, in the first part of this book, the 3 that I valued the most were skills, time, and energy. The second part of the book dives into the process when you've already established your side hustle and now it's time to stabilize. The 5 skills that he talks about in the second part of the book are army, battlefield, fortify your castle, new weaponry, and combat. This part of the book makes sure that you put systems in place so that you can stabilize and make sure that you can fight off other competitors and make sure that you can continue to bring in new clients and make money as a business. The third and final part of this book really talks about making sure that you can create the side hustle so that it can work with minimal effort and you can continue to profit. The 5 skills that he talks about in the third and final part of this book are mobilize, marching order, formations, deployment, and peace. These 5 skills make sure that you can establish your side hustle to continue and run with minimal operation because your team and people that you've assembled and skills that you've taught them allow it to run with your overview only. Now, I can't lie, a lot of this stuff seems unique and outlandish to me because I haven't reached this level. This is definitely a book that I plan on reading in the future when I develop my side hustle and business into something more stable and more fruitful. Nonetheless, I definitely recommend this book for anybody that's looking to start a side hustle and make some sort of income in this day and age. Now, although it might not talk about different side hustles to try, it will give you the key foundation of what you need to do to make sure that once you find your idea and you're acting on it, that you implement key strategies and skills to make sure that you're building a strong foundation to make the side hustle last as long as possible. Everyone's scared when they first try it. Being able to have these fundamental skills and techniques to use when you're starting off will help take that pressure off. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I dropped another book club meeting. Last book club meeting I dropped was a couple months ago. My bad. That's on me. That's on me. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I got a lot of books that I have read that I need to review. Obviously, I don't read that fast, so I mean, like, I do read fast, but like, you get the point. It's like I can't be reading 300-page books. This book that I'm reading right now, Jordan Peterson's 12 Rules of Life, long book. It's like 300 something pages, 380. Let me tell you real quick, just because I'm curious. Yeah, it's around 370 pages. And, you know, I just started a guide for Christmas, going to read it. Jordan Peterson, very, you know, influential person. So, with that being said, though, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Drop a like, subscribe. More content coming out. You know, I've got a little content map that I've created. I'm going to talk about that in another video. Show you guys what I got planned out for the next year. So, you know, we're going to try and grow, get this stuff going, make sure that all the content I'm making is, you know, unique and relatable to you guys and you guys enjoy it. But with that being said, don't forget the power to transform your lives. It lies within you. Don't stop learning. Don't stop growing. Don't stop launching towards your dreams. As always, I'm your host, Anderson Vina. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.